To recover your phantom wallet, it is essential to understand the importance of the recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a set of words that allows you to regain access to your wallet and its contents in case you lose access to your device or forget your password. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you with phantom wallet recovery phrase. First, make sure you have your recovery phrase written down and stored in a safe place. This phrase is usually provided to you when you create your phantom wallet, and it is crucial that you keep it secure. If you have not written down your recovery phrase, do so immediately and store it in a secure location such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Next, it is vital to understand that your recovery phrase is the key to accessing your wallet. If you lose your recovery phrase, you will not be able to recover your wallet and its contents. Therefore, it is crucial that you keep your recovery phrase confidential and do not share it with anyone. To recover your phantom wallet using the recovery phrase, you will need to download and install the Phantom Wallet software on a new device. Once installed, you will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Make sure you enter the phrase correctly, as any mistakes can result in failure to recover your wallet. In addition to keeping your recovery phrase secure, it is also important to keep your wallet software up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that help protect your wallet from potential threats. Furthermore, be cautious of phishing scams and never enter your recovery phrase on a website or application that you do not trust. In conclusion, recovering your phantom wallet using the recovery phrase is a straightforward process, but it requires you to have your recovery phrase written down and stored in a safe place. By following the steps outlined in this guide and keeping your recovery phrase secure, you can ensure that you can always access your wallet and its contents. Remember to keep your wallet software up to date and be cautious of potential security threats too. Protect your phantom wallet and its assets.